They cut my teeth too short and some teeth were falling out. I always was concerned about my teeth because your smile is your representation. My name is Matthew Reines. I am from New York City. My teeth started going south and my dentist was in Miami, so I was coming back regularly, like 3 times a year or whatever it was, and it turned out to be a disaster. It was 20 years of hell. My teeth were falling out regularly. Couldn't eat what I wanted to.
So when I met Matt was a little apprehensive. He had visited so many dental offices and he felt like he was getting the same results, and the same results were failing him.
I had to get my teeth fixed. There was no option. Chronic pain and embarrassment.
And I think what was bothering him the most is he was extremely self-conscious of his smile. And, besides that, he wasn't eating what he wanted to eat. He felt like he was in a dental chair all the time. But at the top of the list, Matt felt a bit ashamed of his smile.
So we did a lot of research and we drove around and we found Dr. Implant, and I went in and I met Juan. And Juan has a great smile and a really good attitude. Everybody was very nice. It was very clean, new. Technology was wonderful.
I took them through the process. I made them feel comfortable, really big on educating my patients. I don't like my patients to be surprised about anything. I really went into what a Dr. Implant smile is all about. It outlives and outlasts any other dental procedure if done correctly and in the right hands.
You realize that there's nothing to be scared of. They've got everything you need, and that's what really makes them different. They're willing to work with you. They're willing to talk with you. They're willing to educate you. And they will not let you out of there until you're happy.
So Matt came to us, I believe it was on a Tuesday, but we got going on Matt the week after. So the next Tuesday, he was in surgery, and that same day, at the end of that day, he got his new smile. He got his Dr. Implant smile.
When they put in my teeth, there was no pain, and that was huge. I asked for a mirror because I wanted to see what it looked like, and I smiled. I was amazed. They gave me an amazing smile. I knew that I could go back out, my teeth weren't gonna fall out, and they would be there for me for the rest of my life, which is a big deal.
It brought out his happy-go-lucky, kind of joyful, jokester kind of guy that he is.
It's changed my life because no pain, they look great, I'm able to eat whatever I want, and I can actually bite into things that used to make my teeth fall out. They look more like real teeth than my real teeth did. So I'm very happy with what's happened.
I think what I felt really good about is we gave him a great looking mouth. We gave him a mouth that he's not going to have any problems with. I really feel confident that we gave him something that he's going to be happy for the next few decades.
Go to Dr. Implant. I mean, come on. You don't want to be dealing with pain and time. Once it's done, it's done. The Dr. Implant smile, 100% on the money.